Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening from wherever you are watching this channel. My name is Popo, and this is Travel and Food. In today's video, I want us to prepare this is chicken boneless breast, 1 package, and I want us to chop it down and prepare it for dinner. Enjoy. First of all, I need to chop it down to small cubes. We can cook it. Decided to reach the vice president after that. Which I found strange, and I kept wondering why should the paramount, instead of coming up with policies creating those enable better life, they're making themselves busy trying to reach a better president. What happened? Morals. Why are we engaging ourselves into things that what can that bring to the table of a common man? Help me. You know, we keep engaging, we dwell on issues that are not helping us, right? But those are the political class. But for us, we keep fighting. Here we go. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 medium tomatoes and a medium-sized white onion and some spices. And I'm going to use this old-fashioned cooking liquid, cooking oil, and this right here. It's known as Royco spices. They're spicy for wet and dry fry, so I'm going to make it dry fry. So I'm going to use these spices so that I can create a dinner. I can create dinner for myself. But let us chop the tomatoes. Let us chop the tomatoes. Let us transfer the tomato to our plate. And now let us chop the onion we remove this outer shell. You see, the thing with onion, from the outside you think it's dried. It's dry but still fresh from inside. Let me remove this section. It seems like it's not as nice. Alright, we go. Guys, we're done with chopping our tomato and onion. Now let us do some marination to our chicken. So like I said earlier, we are going to use these mixed spices for wet fry. It's a mix of everything. It's a mixture of everything. So every spices you may think of is right here. Okay, I think that is generous enough. I will close this one and try to marinate and let it rest for a few minutes. I will try to let it rest for some few minutes right before we proceed our cooking. Guys, see you in a few minutes for us to work on this chicken. Guys, after a few minutes, I think our marination is ready and it's time to cook. Introduce my oil and let it pan for some minutes before I introduce another things. Make sure the pan is well oiled. To add guys, we let you introduce our tomatoes. And now the tomatoes go in. Mix and turn. Using cute. Look at that amazing. Cute. And then I'm going to introduce this coconut to this one because the chicken is about to be ready now. Let us introduce our coconut cream like this. Wow. Look at that. The beauty. Hey.
let us give it around 5 minutes to cook in this coconut cream. Then we come back and see what we have.
There you guys have it, guys. Our food is ready. Let us serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.